So the next lesson in this module is that I want to show you how to send and receive cryptocurrency. So I have created different wallets. I'm going to show you how to create your own wallet. Okay, and then you can send and receive these tokens. So now we're going to go to a website called metamask.io. So you don't have to memorize this URL. It's going to be provided for you in a separate document in this course. Okay, so now once you get to this website, all you have to do is to download. Click on this download button and download the Metamask. Okay, so once you download that, because I've already installed Metamask on my device, so there is no point downloading it again. So, but if you're just using it for the first time, you have to download this, and install it on your Chrome extension. Okay, so I've installed it. If I want, I can remove it. Okay, and I can also delete it if I want. So I'm going to launch it now. So once I launch it, how am I going to create my first wallet? It is quite easy. Just come here, click on this round icon. If you're just using the MetaMask for the first time, I think it will ask you to create one. But now let me try and create a new wallet so that you can have an idea of how it looks like. I'm going to cut this, then click on this, okay, and paste it here. Since this is looking like a different browser, so I'm going to come here and download. Then I'm using Chrome, so definitely I'm going to install MetaMask for Chrome. So once I'm able to install it, I'm going to add this to Chrome. Okay, as you can see, I've made a playlist for you guys that will teach you all the basics and the fundamentals of crypto and cryptocurrency. So all I'm asking for from you guys is just subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification button, like the video, and make a comment down below. Let me know what you've gained from each of the course module, each of the video. Let me know what you've gained so far from it. So I'm going to appreciate this feedback. Subscribe, turn on notification button, like this video, and make a comment. That is all I'm asking from you guys. Add extension. So it has been added to it. So what's the next thing? Get started. Okay, it's asking me if I have a wallet that can be imported. If I have a private keys that can be imported, I don't have it. So now I want to create a wallet. I'm going to click on create a wallet, read all of these terms and agree. I'm going to create a password. Let me say that my password is MetaMask. Okay, let me say that my password is MetaMask 2021. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. I'll come back here, paste it here, paste it, then shows that I've agreed to their terms, then create a wallet. Okay, so it is saying I should click here to review the seeds. So this is a seed that you can always use to back up, because if you lose this seed, even when you have $1 billion right there in your wallet, then you've lost everything. Okay, you've lost everything. So you have to copy this and keep it somewhere safe. So the best thing you can do is to use a notepad. Use a notepad, paste it in the notepad, okay, and save it. So you can say something. Can you say something like ETH address? Save that. So it is rightly saved in our notepad. So what you have to do is to go to the next. If you have a printer, make sure you print this out or you write this down by your hands. You don't have to keep your wallet on the internet. If you do that, you may get hacked at any time. Okay, so you don't want any of these to happen to you. Okay. So once you save that, the next thing is to click on this button. It will try and see if you know what you are doing, if you've saved it. So now you have promote winter brother. So you come here, click on promote winter, then brother. Okay. The next thing is rebuild follow lake. So where is rebuild follow lake? Okay. The next thing is cabin weather report. So your cabin weather report. Okay, and you have make item drop. You have make item drop. So this is a confirmation that you have securely saved your backup seed phrase. Okay, this is the back end to your wallet. So you have to be careful with that. Then congratulations, you've been able to create a wallet. All done. Okay, all done. So if you want to swap anything, you can do it right here. We are not ready for that. So this is our wallet. We've been able to create our wallet. This is our wallet. Their private keys is here. So it is something like this. This is your private keys. And now you can have access to, you see, you can have access to your wallet, to your private keys or your seed phrase. What you are seeing here is called seed phrase, okay? And also you can use your private keys. How do you go about that? Just come here, click on account details. Once you click on account details, then export private keys, okay? Then you can come here. I think this is MetaMask 2021 is our password. Don't forget that. Hey, there's a mistake with that. MetaMask, is that correct? 2021. So that is our password. So I'm going to come here and paste this here. Then MetaMask password. Have we done anything wrong? So the mistake, sorry guys, I had to rewatch the video. It's not MetaMask, it is MetaMask. That was the mistake, okay? So I'm going to copy this now. Copy. I can cut it if I want. I'm going to come here. So about that, I'll paste it. Then this is your private key. You can copy that also. Come to your notepad and paste it here and save it. Okay. So you should print out your private keys and at the same time your key phrase. That is quite important. Okay. So once you're done with that, then the next thing is to look for means to interact with the blockchain. So if you click on this view Etherscan to show you a bunch of information that we have not, this is a fresh wallet address and we've not done anything so far. So that is how you can create a wallet address. And don't forget, a wallet address that you create on Ethereum blockchain can also be used for every other blockchain that happens to be a fork of Ethereum. Okay, so you can use the same wallet to interact with the Binance Smart Chain, the Matic, the Huobi, and several other blockchains can be interacted with the same wallet address. So with one wallet address, you are a very powerful person. Okay, it's quite intriguing. So now I'm going to go to a different Chrome browser, which is this, and show you a bunch of stuff here. So now this is a wallet. This is a wallet, and I've created quite a number of wallets here. This is a network. So I can, with the same wallet, which is CryptoCost wallet, I can interact with this blockchain. I can interact with this blockchain, this and this, okay, and also this. So there are several other blockchains that I can interact with, provided that I come here, go to customer RP, and apply the customizations accordingly. Okay. So now the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to show you how you can send and receive any kind of cryptocurrency on this platform. So I'm going to come here now, go to, I think I have quite a number of, I'm going to switch network. If I switch network now, all of this configuration will change. Okay. So let me switch to Binance network, which is this. This is the Binance testnet. That is not my concern now. And also let me move to this, which is Binance Smart Chain. This is the Binance Smart Chain. The real money is here. So if I click on this, you can see I have 0.04 BNB here. I have 0.017 BNB here. Okay. And in other account. So but this crypto coins account doesn't have anything right there. The next thing you want to do now is to send. We want to send from here. We want to send coins from here to this wallet. Okay. How do you go about that? If I click on this, I'm going to copy the public key that wallet, and come here. Now I'll paste it here. Okay. Paste the address here so that I don't want to forget that. So let me launch this, because we want to send money to this guy. Okay, so we're going to come here, because you're on Binance Smart Chain. The same way you send on Binance Smart Chain is the way you send on every other blockchain that you are seeing, every other chain that you are seeing here. So I'm going to switch over back to where there is more BNB. So this is account 1. Okay, so I'll click on send. So once I click on send, I will paste that address there. So I paste the address here. So it is asking me how many BNB do I want to send. I want to send 0.01 BNB. Okay, that is the amount I want to send. So next, I'm going to come here and click on next. So once I click on next, then everything plus the gas fee is 0.001005. Okay, so I'm going to come here and say confirm. So I'm going to confirm it. So it is sending. You can see pending. So we're going to wait for that to send. So the transaction has been confirmed on the blockchain, and my balance here, has been reduced to 0.0383. So when I come here now, I'm going to see that it has been added to this one. Okay, so this one has increased by 0.01. Okay, it has increased. So now if you come back here now and check this out on Explorer, now I'm going to copy this wallet address and go to Binance Smart Chain Explorer. So how do you go back? How do you get that? You can also get it from here. That is the BSC. Come here and check out this Explorer. This is BSC scan. So this is an Explorer to the Binance blockchain. Okay, BSC scan / token. No, I don't think it is this. So let me go to BSC scan. So this is BSC scan. Then you're going to have to paste this here. Once you paste this here, then you search. The moment I search, I will be seeing all the transactions I've conducted in this blockchain. So I've let me see my BEP20 token transactions. Okay, all the transactions I've conducted. This is the transaction I conducted in the last 1 minute. Okay, you can see it here. So that is how to check transaction on the blockchain. So I made this transaction about 11 days ago. I made some like several months ago on this blockchain. Okay, so that is how to send and receive. Okay, that's how to say, because I use this wallet to receive 0.1 BNB. Okay, so that is how to send and receive. So if you have any question, please, you can ask me. I'm going to provide more answers to it. Okay, so and if it means creating a different tutorial to explain it, I'm going to do that for you guys. Okay, so see you on the other side of the course.